All right, we're gonna brag about our sheetrock guys. So this is a corner bead here. This is an architectural corner bead, and you can see there's a little lip right here so that when the mud is set, it'll tie into this lip and we'll have a nice sharp corner. But this is the fun part. So before we install the corner bead, they spray adhesive on the corner bead like this, right? I don't want to get too close, but that's basically what happens. And then if you look over here, we'll show you an actual corner bead. Maybe I'll spin this light our way. And this is a corner bead. You can see there's adhesive on the wall. This is actually a soundproof drywall. Adhesive on the wall, adhesive on the corner bead. And you can tell you don't see any nails in here. What we have are staples so that we don't see, if you use nails, you could see nail pops in the future. So in this case, we use staples. So again, sheetrock, adhesive on the wall, adhesive on the corner bead, and then staples. And that makes for a bomb-proof corner bead.